We are out scouting for the Wallin ride. So, not my tracks. We'll see how this all turns out. Hopefully we'll have a great day. And let's see what we have in store for us. So, alright, Wallin scouting for the HArd Enduro route. Let's see what we do. Alright, later folks, bye. Hell, Tim, we're out by Moonville. Oh yeah, this is all chunky. It's worse than I've ever seen it. You're the man. I got it all. Need help? Here, hold on. 1, 2, 3. What?
I gotta go back.
Hey, you didn't have to gun it at the end to get mud all over me, you prick. Thank you, sir. Woohoo. Ooh. All right. Fun stuff here. Is that more in line with what you want? Oh yeah. This is a fan favorite. fan favorite. Oh, they cut this stuff down last year. We had to go around that tree. We gotta go through our favorite part of the water. the beaver dam. Holy shit. That whole thing's probably swamped out. That's hilarious. And I don't feel like breaking down the beaver dam and getting washed away. That's hilarious. The beavers have taken over. One of our more fun treks too. We've been riding that for years. You've been back through there, right?
I can't remember.
So the beavers have it's got to be 3 foot deep.
What the hell?
Hey, you know, Tim, when you've been doing this long enough, you go underneath the thing, spin the back tire and let it slide underneath the tree. I'm just ball busting. Here, hold on, let me get the other side. More. Okay. Did you see what I did, Sparky? I laid it right down outside, gave it gas, and slid the rear end out underneath the tree. Oh, yeah. All right. Kirk jumps the log, and we're back on it. Oh. Shit. And now I dumped it. That's what happens when you're a little too close and you lose a little momentum. You definitely need some distance on those stuff. So if you're doing it, get a little bit of distance. Like, although that wasn't as hard, but because I knew I had distance, you can do it. That's what makes them and me me. Oh, yeah. Fucking rock. Whew, she jumped that big old root back there, and all right. Again, I am not a superhero. That's not my jam right here, guys. Yeah, now I'm going to drop right down into this hole. Yep, not my jam. Ooh. Ooh, baby, yes. That's why you ride the small bikes, for fun stuff like this. Okay. Okay. I'm just not good going downhill. But I get down it. However I do it, right? Well, that was fun. Now that is supposed to be the hard enduro stuff. I feel bad whoever takes some big bikes down into that, because that was brutal. You're not getting any high. Maybe Tom Asher, maybe Kirk, a few others. There were a couple of climbs there that even the big bikes I think would have had a extremely difficult time to get up there. Whew, that was fun though. That, shall we say, will get the blood pumping, to say the least. So, it's all good. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that. That was some fun stuff. A little dual sport action Wayne National Forest at the Wallin Wayne weekend. And like I said, these trails are pretty beat up. Definitely have not been manicured or groomed, so fun stuff. All right, gang, we'll see you a little later. Bye.